So initially we were pulling into the gas station and he ran across the road. Almost got smoked by one car, the other, it's like a pickup I believe, stopped then in the other lane. And then Kinsey proceeded to jump out of Jade and go run to his rescue. Puppy just ran across the street. Kinsey just ran out to grab it. Looks like a little black mutt of some sort. So we're in New Mexico right now, and that's pretty common. Unfortunately, there's a lot of stray dogs running around. So she wants to save every one of them. You know, I don't blame her. But we're gonna be stopping a lot if that's the case. I'm not sure what she plans on doing. Might have to hit up the animal shelter or something. Kinsey's over there talking to the police officer to see what to do with the puppy. We'll see what they want to do. What's the verdict? What do you say?
He said they don't have any shelters or anything, and he said finders keepers.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Is that like a pug mix?
He's so sweet.
It looks like a pug mix.
He has no
collar, no nothing?
No tags, no nothing. And he said the nearest one is like a ways away.
So what do you want to do now?
We gotta bring him with us.
Are you You're nuts.
What if we just brought him with us and then we took him to the closest shelter up there? Because he even said he's like, he can't.
They're all over the place.
And
running around.
I even asked, I was like, this place is gonna break my heart, isn't it? He's like, oh yeah. You want to go to Colorado?
He looks old.
He was just running through the street, almost got hit.
Hey Jimmy, I'm gonna call you Jimmy. You want a treat, buddy? Good boy. You wanna come on the road, Jimmers? Or you just want treats, huh? What do you think? You're in charge of him. You're the dog handler, officially.
That's okay. I can handle.
And you're giving him a bath tonight.
And the bath.
All right.
Yes.
He's a good lap dog. He's super chill. I like his temperament. The old
He's
Jimmers.
just like making himself ready.
Old Jimmers. Yeah, look at him. He's like, this is awesome. Rubbing himself all over in the blanket. Oh man, it's so good to be out west again. It's so beautiful. This is Angel Peak Lookout. Angel Peak is way off yonder. And Colorado is right over there in the mountains. Oh man, this is gorgeous. So we got Jimmy here, and we got all the dogs. They're gonna get to meet each other for the first time. There, Jimmy's off the leash. Come here, Andy. Say hi to Jimmy. Yeah. I don't know, they don't even really care. Jimmy doesn't care, they don't care. Jimmy's taking along right away. It's so funny. I was expecting more than this. I thought they were gonna try to kill each other or something, but they're being super chill. Jimmy's just fitting in like way too easy. What do you think? You think you'll fit in, huh? Think you'll fit in? I originally thought I was gonna adopt a stray as my first dog. Verana, if you remember Richard and Verana, wonderful couple from the marina. Verana is the one that actually ended up finding Annie when I wasn't even looking for a dog. Otherwise, I thought I was just gonna adopt one. He's a thirsty little bugger. Yeah, you're thirsty, aren't you? At the Florida Jade Jamboree, lovely couple, Melissa and Thomas Rosier, probably pronounced your last name wrong. They gave us this homemade dog shampoo. Helps repel fleas and mosquitoes. So we're gonna try this stuff out tonight on Jeepin' Jimmers. See how he does in the water. Contains goat milk, honey, aloe, vitamin E, lemon, cilantro? No, citronello. Okay. Everyone wants to smell like cilantro.
Oh, dude, he really likes it. Oh, yeah.
Is that relaxing? Are you getting a spa treatment?
Gordy usually freaks out a little bit.
Yeah?
He's handling this way better.
Dude, he's just chill about everything. He rode in the Jeep just fine. Got along with the other dogs. He's gonna like fall asleep. He's got quite a bit of gray on his face, but I know back at the marina, Getcho, that dog I thought was old because he had gray all over his face. Well, here he was only 4 years old and he was part Australian Shepherd. So who knows how old he really is. He's loving it. He's so chill. He's like, bath time, I'm down. Riding in the Jeep, I'm down.
Oops.
That stuff smells good. Very strong, pungent cilantro. Nice paw print on there. And apparently, as I said, it repels mosquitoes and ticks, so that's really cool. Feels good, getting all dry and clean. He just loves it, man.
He really does. Yeah, you're pretty much the coolest pug ever. We tried feeding him from a cup and then we realized that he doesn't have a snout.
He's a short nose. Getting his first meal in. Chomping away. Does that taste good, buddy?
We're back in Utah.
You guys, I gotta say, you know, I started this road trip. I was living out west, and I just fell in love with the landscape. It's been close to a year since I've been out here, and I'm reminded why I fell in love with it. We're super close to Moab, Utah. Hell's Revenge. That was the very first trail that I ever took Jade on. Jimmy still hasn't pooped. Poop, Jimmy, poop! Oh, Gordy. Beautiful, isn't it? $506, $507, $508, $509, $510.
That's it? You're not being serious.
Oh no, I'm dead serious.
No, you're not.
We are staying in Moab, Utah tonight. Spent all day at Arches National Park. And Kinsey did something. You did something you were scared of, but you embraced the fear.
Face your fear.
And you did it anyways. How's it going over there? Kinsey's afraid of heights. She's right by the arch here. Hold on one sec, let me get a photo. You did good. I've only been in Moab twice, and neither times I really explored downtown at all, which we did. Went out to eat, grab some food, stuff like that. If you're ever in Moab, go to Zach's. Buffet pizza, you can't beat it. And finally saw a national park. Chicken treats.
Kiss your mom. Kiss your mom. Kiss your mom.
He's like, do I have to? Do I have to?
Oh, what a good take.
Oh, yummy. You left the sriracha in the Jeep?
Yeah.
You never leave the sriracha in the Jeep, man. Come on.
Titanic?
Oh, no
No.
way. What is this?
No.
Is this Titanic?
It is.
Jimmy, Jack, Rose, Titanic, Annie, Gordy, that person.
Hey.
Random assortment of food. We're gonna have a good
I'm
one
gonna
night.
go get sriracha.
Get the sriracha!
Oh. He's loving it though.
Getting a massage.
Yeah, that's nothing.
So no chip, no collar. There's no way to track down, you know, previous owners or anything, and you just sit in an animal shelter. I say, we take him aboard. He's small, he's mean, he's a fighting machine. He's a short-haired guy, so he's gonna be pretty cold out here in the middle of winter in Utah. So, do you like it? That's a good look for him. Oh, it's so soft. I mean, it's got that thick, fuzzy material in there, gonna keep his little butt warm. What do you think, Jimmers? You like the flannel look? Hmm?
You can't tell, but he loves it.
Welcome to the family, Jimmers. we're gonna give it a go with Jimmy on the road with us full time, and if for some reason it doesn't work out, Kinsey's family back in Wisconsin has already offered to adopt him, so either way, he will have a good, loving family. I have some thank yous to end this video, and that is to new Patreon supporters, Montana T-Bone and Larry Bowerley. Larry, Montana Larry. Thank you guys so much for helping to support this journey. Truly appreciate it, guys. The next video, where am I? I will see you guys soon.